Welcome to the Axe DevTools Extension video. In this demo, I'll walk you through how your dev and QA teams could check, save, and then share their local accessibility testing results directly from the browser extension. Here, you'll notice that we're on the Starreach Aerospace webpage. This is a webpage about space exploration. To open the Axe DevTools extension on Mac, you may right-click and click Inspect or use the Command Option I, and on Chromes, you may likewise use F12. Once DevTools opens up, I will click on the Axe DevTools pane, which will appear after proper installation. You will notice that when Axe DevTools extension gets brought up, that we have the option for a full page scan, a partial page scan, and also some intelligent guided tests, or IGTs as we like to call them. I'm going to start with the full page scan. Also, a quick note on these page scans. These scans will work only on the page you are currently on and will not crawl the entire website, or trigger any modals. These will have to be done manually per page that you are testing. After Axe DevTools scans your page, what we have here are your total issues with this page. In this case, we have 22 total issues. We could see that one of these issues has to do with elements not meeting minimum color contrast ratio thresholds, and some of the others have to do with headings and landmarks. To find the element, I could highlight it, and for this element, this span is the element in question. You notice it has a pink border around it. The infraction that occurs has to do with minimum color contrast ratio. The Axe DevTools browser extension is showing that it has an insufficient color contrast ratio of 3.53. And if we keep reading, the expected ratio is 4.5 to 1. For guidance on how to fix these issues, we could click this link, More Information. We are then brought to a page on DQ University, which gives us guidance on how to remediate the issue. It also shows the disabilities that would be affected by it. For this issue of color contrast, we could use this slider here to determine our contrast ratio and manipulate it so that we could fix it. Next, we also see that our links must have discernible text, and I could highlight each of those links. As we see, it's going to be these little footer icons in the footer section. You would then go through each of these issues and remediate them to make sure that your site is accessible. If you wanted to, you could save this full page scan and it will save your results locally in your machine's downloads folder. You could save it as JSON, XML, or CSV. You could also share these results with members of your team. And that completes the full page scan. In the next video, we will consider partial page scans and intelligent guided tests. Thanks for watching.